Introducing the tethered power system for DJI MATRICE 400, the next level of persistent aerial operations. Designed for maximum endurance, this system delivers continuous power through a high-performance 160-meter micro-tether, enabling up to 12 hours of uninterrupted flight at operational altitude. At its core, an intelligent ground power station converts standard input into stable high-voltage output, transmitted through a nickel alloy tether engineered for minimal energy loss. High tensile strength and maximum operational safety. Built for mission-critical environments. The system supports operations up to 160 meters altitude, maintaining stable power supply and secure data transmission even in demanding scenarios. The solution is ideal for persistent aerial surveillance, critical infrastructure protection, emergency response and disaster management, large-scale event security, temporary telecom and radio bridge deployment. Equipped with an ultra-powerful 1200W LED spotlight delivering up to 120,000 lumens, the drone becomes a true aerial lighting tower, capable of illuminating vast areas up to 10,000 square meters. The system features a fully integrated plug-and-play architecture, requiring no structural modification to the aircraft, and seamless control via DJI Pilot 2 through dedicated SDK integration. Engineered for reliability. It includes IP54 weather resistance, automatic cable management with motorized control, and a robust portable design for rapid deployment in the field. The result: extended operational time, enhanced safety and unmatched mission efficiency. Tethered system for DJI MATRICE 400. Redefining aerial persistence.